Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Griffin July 2026 mystery box, and the name on the box this month is Seafarer Paper Crafting Kit. And maybe you can see that. Let me see if I can get it up there. Okay, so let's see what we got. Anything with C in it, you know I'm going to like it. Okay. Again, we have this beautiful quality tissue paper. And we know I do not throw that away. I will, at some point, do a tutorial and show you different ways that I use the tissue paper, because it's really a good thing to have in your craft room to do some really interesting projects. Okay, here we go. Right off the bat, I love the colors. The colors are bright, cheerful, and I see we got a die. We've got several things in our kit. So let me open this up. Okay, wow, this is really nice. I'm excited. I always get excited about her kits, and I hope that doesn't annoy anybody, but I am a true artistic, creative person, and I've been that way all my life, and this kind of stuff just really makes me happy. And we got quite a bit in this kit. Again, these mystery boxes are a super value. Let's get everything in frame if we can. Here we go. We start out, we have sentiments, and let's go through those. We'll move these out of the way and we'll come back to these. We'll do one thing at a time so that we all get an opportunity to see what's in the kit. And I hope you have been encouraged to begin purchasing the mystery kits, because I do page kits and then I put these pages together, and I think it's a great way for you to follow along with me. And we just finished the March 2026 mystery kit. We completed the entire kit. I have one more project to use the leftover paper on, and we'll do that after we get finished with this kit. Okay, we start out with Ahoy there. That's so cute. Happy birthday. And it looks like we're getting 2 of each. There is joy in the journey. Thinking of you. Ahoy there. I think we did that one already. Good luck. That's a good one. I like that. And happiness is being near you. Oh, I like that. That's really sweet. Okay. So those are the sentiments. Then we have a bag full of stickers, and they're all themed for, it looks like maybe a cruise or anything that's nautical. These would be great for. So let's put them over here and go through them. And these are really nice quality, thick stickers. Okay, we have these little manifests or ledgers. Oh, how cute. A little passport. That is so cute. And of course, we have a visa. We go out of our country. We need our visa. So cute. Oh, I love these anchors. The colors are really pretty. Super banners. Fun, fun, fun. Big stars. It wouldn't be anything to do with the sea if we didn't have anchors and compasses. And honestly, I'm really excited about these stickers. I have a couple of Anna's kits already that deal with ocean and the sea. So I'm very excited. I have a lot of vacation pictures, as I have mentioned more than one time in my videos, that are around the ocean. The ocean is my favorite place. I will tell you that. I don't need to travel too far. As long as I can get to the ocean, I'm a happy girl. I've always felt like that was my super happy place. Let me see. Why are you not going in there? Okay. And any of my friends throughout the years of, it's always been, okay, it's a beach trip. And I'm just so fortunate that my husband loves the beach as much as I do. Okay, these little sailboats are so cute. Look, they're just adorable. And of course, we've got some more stars. We're getting 2 of each of these stickers. And again, they're just super high quality. They have a little bit of a retro look to me, and I'm there for it. I like it. Okay, let's move you over here. Let's move you over here. Okay. Next, we will look at, let's look at the foil. We have some foil embellishments, and they always add a lot to our pages. Oh, how cute. It's a little gold palm tree. 2, 3. There are 4 palm trees. We're getting the anchor. There are 4 anchors. A seashell. There are 4 seashells. Oh, a little seahorse. How cute. And we get 4 of those. Again, a different type of seashell. These are really nice shells. And a lobster. Oh, how cute. And there's 4 of those. And then we have the compass, and there are only 2 of those in my kit. So there we go. How exciting. And of course, we have our little bows. And we did some cards with the last kit, and I'm sure you remember me saying that a card is just not finished without the little bow. And we have die cuts. Now, this is a great die cut set. And I say that because I purchased a set similar to this, and I've already reviewed it with you. And to get this set free, that is great. That's a super value right here. Those will be adorable on the pages. Let's see what the cards look like. Of course, we're getting envelopes. And now let's look at the cards. I'm excited. Right? Oh gosh, guys, I love this. I love the colors. I love the design. It's just great. Just little sailboats in the bright blue water. That's really pretty. Love it. Oh, look at this. How pretty. I think we had something similar to this in the summer house kit. And this particular pattern, I believe, is similar to her lighthouse kit. She has a lighthouse die, and she also has paper. And some of these papers are very, very similar to the lighthouse collection. Now, this paper, I've not seen this in my collections yet, but how cute is that? I love it. It'll just go so cute with the retro stickers that we got. And here we go. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm so excited. We can make some beautiful cards out of these. Okay, let's put those there. And let's go through these inserts. Sending love and hugs your way. And the same message. You are special. And again, you are special. May the adventures never end. I like that one. I think we should all share that feeling. Don't ever let the adventures end. Hello, my dear friend. Wishing you the best. Oh, wishing you the very best. Nice. Sending happy thoughts to you. All right. Very nice. We'll put these over here with the envelopes. And now we get to look at this beautiful paper. That's what we all came for. Well, actually, we all came for everything. Okay, we're getting 2 of each of the papers. And they are single-sided, but they're very nice, heavy weight. I like it. Then we are getting 2 of this print. And this will just look great with some of these colors. I mean, look at that. Beautiful. And I like it's a variety. It makes us put our creative hat on, doesn't it? And here we go. We've got some flags and rope. This is a rope design. And then we have this retro abstract. It's kind of like a 70s, 60s type of a design print, and I'm there for it. I like it. And then this is our last print. Okay. Well, guys, I hope that you enjoyed opening the box with me and reviewing everything. And the next video is going to be putting our page kits together. And then after that, we start putting scrapbook pages together. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you.